Changing the email link to your Coinbase account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you have access to the current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on it to view your current email address and options to change it. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, your email address linked to your Coinbase account will be successfully changed. Always remember to keep your account information secure.